What humans will look like in 1,000 years. Humans are still evolving. So where will evolution take us in 1,000 years? Chances are we'll be taller. Humans have already seen a boom in height over the last 130 years. We may also merge with machines that can enhance our hearing, eyesight, health, and much more. Our genes will also evolve on microscopic levels to aid our survival. Mars receives 66% less sunlight than Earth, which can mean humans on Mars will evolve larger pupils that can absorb more light in order to see. However, the biggest change in human evolution that we may have coming in the next 1,000 years is immortality. The path to immortality will likely require humans to download their consciousness into a machine. Whatever happens in the next 1,000 years, one thing is certain: the human race is always changing. And the faster we change and branch out from Earth, the better chance we have of outrunning extinction.